What's up everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. Wanted to shoot a quick video on how to waterproof your basement from the interior. Now we understand some people may be asking, is it truly waterproofing if you're doing it from the interior and you're allowing that water to through? We have some methods that does truly allow us to manage that water. Whether it's waterproofing it or not is up to each individual to decide. We will tell you there is a lot of good benefit from waterproofing the basement on the inside, and we also understand that every scenario is different. Some basements need to be done from the exterior, some from the interior, and really that's up to you as a homeowner. For the sake of this video, we're going to talk about how to waterproof it from the interior though. First thing you want to do, install a drainage system in the basement, the interior of the basement. What would this include? Well, to start out, you got to bust out the concrete around the interior perimeter wall. Concrete would be busted approximately 12 inches off the basement wall, sometimes more, sometimes less. Remove the concrete. Next step, dig out any necessary dirt to get the drainage system beside the footing. And we stress beside because there's a lot of companies that will put that drainage system on top of the footing. We gotta get it beside of it. Do not let a company put the drainage system on top of the footing. These often fail and they do not meet North Carolina or South Carolina building code, potentially causing you problems when you go to sell your home. Next, you're going to install the drainage system. Install the pipe and direct it to a sump pump. The sump pump in a basement should go in a convenient location such as a utility room or a closet. Next, fill the voids around the drainage system with clean stone. We like number 57 or number 67 stone. Next step is to replace that concrete, ensuring that you get a minimum of 3.5 inches put back as required by both the North Carolina and South Carolina building code. Lastly, install your sump pump and discharge line to ensure that any water that's pumped out of the basement will exit the home, draining away from it and downhill so that the water does not run and enter back into the basement. Here's a down and dirty video on how to waterproof your basement from the interior. If you have additional questions, comment down below this video. We're happy to help. That's why we shoot these videos. If you need more information, feel free to reach out to us at 704-813-9554. And if you're not sure if the interior or exterior is the best way, we're happy to send somebody out. We don't charge for consultations or estimates. We just want to help. We want to ensure that you get your basement or crawl space or foundation taken care of. Hopefully this helps, and until next time.